Hey everybody, here at the pilot, getting fuel. It's another day. I didn't get home until like, I don't know, I think last night was midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning or something like that. I'm trying. I ordered my tail lights. Got 2 new tail lights coming. There's one of them. There's my rear view mirror. Look at that. It's horrible. Look at that. Look at that. It's horrible. Absolutely horrible. Yeah, that's what you got to deal with. The good and the bad, the happy and the sad. And then just try to save the people. That's what you do. That's what you do. Getting this fuel in the truck. There we go. There we go. It's going slow going. Yeah, buddy. Slow going. Oh, man. Until next time, everybody, please like, share, and subscribe. Look at that shirt. Look, I got to put this cup down so I can show you. Look at this. Edinger. The pro you need to know. Subscribe. Until next time. Pilot coffee, braving the snow, and the horrible weather. Everybody that's in the area in the north and east up here, please be safe.